akekho umuntu oyi-enemy kumuntu omnyama njengomunye umuntu omnyama. Like honestly speaking, mina ngazi mina ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama sabanjani bafethu. Not all of us obviously, yeah, because ngiyazi khona uzongena manje talking about kona ukungena. There's negative people mfethu ku social media, and I don't even think ku social media kuphela nje emhlabeni nje there's negative people, and I'm talking to us abantu abamnyama mfethu. Yazi unokuzipostela i-content yakho nje, either uyahlekisa or uyacula, whatever content oyifakayo la, there's always negative people. Unomuntu nje ongamazi ozongena ku-content yakho avela kuthuke or a-comment negative. Like bafethu sinenzeni, like nina niyenzayo le nto, you know yourselves. Like ngathi nihlelele nje ukubona ukuthi ubani uyaposta and then umthuke for ini. Yes, sometimes ithi ngitshele vari mina ngikhuliswa ugogo ke, it's either you believe it or not. Ugogo wami bekahlala ngitshela ukuthi yonke into inomvuzo wayo. Lento yakhe yokungena ezintweni zabantu nje ku social media ucommente kabi inomvuzo yayo, and uzozitshela ukuthi uyaloywa, into zakhe azihlangani. Mamela siphizi for uyoloya bafethu. Yo sinabantwana ekumele sibanakekele, sinezindle ezinice ekumele sizimaintain. Isikhathi sokuyo consulta nabathakathi siloye wena, aya ume kancane mfethu. Asikuloyi, inhliziyo yakho yiyo levala izinto zakho zingayiphambili. I promise you lento ayidingi nokuthi uzube no matric. Mina ngibaza abanye abantu banjani bafethu. Bese kuba nalento ukuthi umuntu akakuphiwanga. Yabona uma ungangiphiwanga, ungangifollowi, ungacomment, ungangilandeli, phuma kimi. You know what I mean? Siyazibona lezi zinto, we ignore them. Thina sikhuliswe kahle as we say. Ezinye siyabona abantu basiphendula kabi, bayasithuka. We just keep quiet. The other day khona omunye uthi kimi, hey wena sisi indoda eqhinayo in bafethu, mina ngithanda ukuqhina. And if wena ube nempandla una 21 years, thina abanye ngineyinwele like for days. You understand? So mele ngenzeni? Ngibe ne chiscope njengawe, and nawe le chiscope awuyigundanga ngoba uyayithanda. Impandla ikufostile ukuthi ugunde chiscope. So wenza ngathi umuntu oma chiscope. Kanti uyafisa nawe mhlawumbe kuba neyinwele uzishayela amakhadi. All I'm saying is, if yazi umuntu mfethu ku social media angiyazi lento ukuthi njani. Khona omunye ukuthi hayi vele igazi lami nelakhe alizwane, lalela mfethu amasimba ayikho lento enjalo. Igazi lakho sewayazwana amagazi. Wena nje umuntu mawukuthi awumfili or uyamzonda, yekele kumfollowa umuntu mawumzonda or ungamfili. Lento ukuthi nizongena kwi content yethu nisithuke or nicomment the way you feel, bafethu sibadala. Yazi thina abantu abamnyama bafethu yithi sibabhaya. Yabona if besithatha le social media siyenze sisebenzele, senze imali ngale social media, sikhuphulane, sithuthukisane, ngabe sikude kabi, ngabe amanye ama-country or amanye ama-race or amanye ama-nation ayasihalela njengoba thina-ke sigijimela bona, sihalela bona, sikhule sifuna uba amanika because of what they do, sikhule yonke lento le. You know what I mean? If besingazithanda thina sizilandelele, check abo-lens, check ama-Indian bala, aba-Indian ayavalwa ngo-12 ayokhuleka, siyawalinda azavula ama-shops siye ku. That's how strong they are. Thina manje njengoba ngiposta lento le, khona okuzongena comment ungazosinyanyisa wena masimbakho. How ngenzeni? All I'm saying is, if you are a content creator, uzenzela into yakho and you love what you do, do what you do. Mina ke mangithola abantu aba negative ngivele ngibablock and ngibadelete. That's the only way to go, because mawuzoloku uphendulana nabo angeke mina angeke ngikunike attention jo, angeke ngikunike attention. Mina I work hard. You might not know me, but I'm a hard worker. Angeke ngihlale endaweni so ngingasipani hard, angeke ngihlale endaweni so. I'm a hard worker jo. I'm a breakfast show host at Josie FM. I'm an award winner. Nali award eduze kwe 80-inch ye TV screen. Nayi award lapha iphethe golide so. If you know what I mean. You know, I do ama TV ngenza ama advert. Ngiyaspana jo. So if awuncane ngiyeke ngiyacela mfethu, ngiyacela. On endlela uzozwa, and if the shoe fits, you know yourself, you know ukuthi uhlala ukhomenta kanjani intweni engizenzayo. Nabanye I've seen kwabanye abantu mangichecka ama TikTok, ama Facebook, there's always those people who just come negatively so and comment. Yekeni ndayile ngibafethu. Mhlambe nomkhuhlane uzophela, mhlambe nezinto zakho zizovuleka, ukwazi ukufocusa, usupporte abantu bakini, yabantwana bakho mawunabo, and just stop being negative, Joe. And ngisayoqhina ngingakavela impandla, ngisayoqhina mfethu. Ungawari wena. Awukakaboni next Lexa say advert, imovie khani izoqala.